welcome to Babies and Books. Let's start by practicing our clapping. Ready? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. Welcome to our story time. We clap and sing hello. Now let's wake up our feet with our Wake Up Feet song. Wake up feet, wake up feet. Wake up feet and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. Wake up hands, wake up hands. Wake up hands and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. Wake up ears, wake up ears. Wake up ears and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up ears, wake up ears. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. Our first story is a special Kissy Kiss book. A Kiss Like This by Mary Murphy. So this is a great story to give our babies extra kisses, and it's all about different animal families. A giraffe kiss is gentle and tall, like this. And you can give baby a giraffe kiss, however you think that is. A mouse kiss is quick and small, like this. Little mouse kiss. A fish kiss is fizzy and bubbly, like this. Mwah. Fish kiss. A bee kiss is fuzzy and buzzy, like this. Buzz. And they're even flying upside down, giving upside down fuzzy buzzy kisses. An elephant kiss is long and tooty tooty, like this. An owl kiss is twit twooty, like this. Hoo hoo. My, oh my, look! Everybody's kissing. Now there's only one kiss missing. Your kiss, like this. Mwah! The end. I hope everyone had lots of fun and got some snuggles and kisses with baby on that one. Okay, we're going to sing a song called Eyes, Nose, Cheeky, Cheeky, Chin. And we can point to baby as we sing this song together. Ready? Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes and nose. Yay, let's do that one more time. Ready? Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin, eyes and nose. Very good. I hope we got lots of smooshy cheekies. Good job. We're going to read a story about, do you know what animal that is? A little birdie. This is called Early Bird by Tony Yulee. Early bird likes to wake up early. I bet some of you like to wake up early too, don't you? She stands as tall as she can. She takes a deep breath of morning air. And then early bird gets going. Across the grass, through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path. Around the corner. What do you see here? And over the cat. Finally, early bird reaches the garden, where she finds the early worm. Early bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the earthworm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. The end. The early bird, a great story for teaching words like up and over and under and around. That's called the early bird. And they were in a little garden, so I thought we would do a little tickle song called a bunny tickle. And it takes place in a garden. So what we do is we pat baby's arms, baby's legs, as if we're hopping around the garden. So round and round the garden goes the little bunny. And then as we pat, we're gonna get closer to baby's tummy with a 1 hop and a 2 hop and a tickle on their tummy. So the last ones I might pat right on their thighs. Okay? So round and round the garden hops the little bunny with a 1 hop and a 2 hop and a tickle on your tummy. Yay! Good job, friends. Our last story is called I Am Small by Emma Dodd. The world is big and I am small. The world is vast and I am small. The ocean is deep and I am small. The mountains are steep and I am small. The winter is long and I am small. The wind is strong and I am small. The sky is high and I am small. The stars stretch far and I am small. These things are big and long and deep and strong and high and far and steep. And I am small, but you are big and you are kind. When I'm with you, I do not mind. I may be small, but I can see the biggest thing to you is me. The end. Special story. Our little babies mean so much to us, even though they're They're so small. So that had a lot of opposites and big and small. So we're going to do a little song, a little rhyme called This is Big, Big, Big. We'll move our arms big and small and short and tall to really learn some of our opposites. Ready? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Good job. Let's do that one more time. Ready? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Good job, friends. And speaking of kind of opposites, I thought that a fun activity for you to explore with baby is to find different textures around the house, different toys and objects that feel differently. So here at the library, something that I will bring out to our baby story time are these texture tiles. And in the middle have all different types of materials and textures. So this is kind of a burlap, kind of a rough fabric. Here's something that's just smooth wood. Can you find something that's bumpy? You can hear it even makes a sound. It's bumpy. This is also kind of bumpy, but it's rubbery and a little squishy. We have a soft, kind of almost a carpet tile kind of feel, so something soft. And here's another one that's kind of a foam feel, so it has a squishy feel and it's really soft and smooth. So see if you can find different things around the house that baby can safely play with and explore that have different textures and feelings so they can just learn more and more about their big world. So I hope you have fun with that and that you enjoyed our songs and our stories. Let's practice our waving goodbye. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye to all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Bye everyone. I'll see you next time for Babies and Books.